tools you'll need for this repair: a Phillips screwdriver, pentalobe screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a spudger, tweezers, a chisel. Now let's get started.
Remove the 2 screws on both sides of the charging port. Use the flex chisel to gently lift the screen off the frame. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the flex plate. Use the spudger to disconnect the LCD, digitizer, and front camera from the motherboard. Unscrew the battery flex plate. Take the flex chisel and carefully pry the battery off the frame. Disconnect the charging port. Dislocate the service antenna. Unscrew the screws holding down the charging port. Lift off the top speaker. Use your fingers to disconnect the charging port from the frame. Unscrew and disconnect the back camera. Continue by removing the screws that are holding down the motherboard. Disconnect the Wi-Fi antenna. And volume button flex with a spudger. Remove the SIM tray. Use your fingers to remove the motherboard. Don't forget to disconnect the last antenna on the bottom of the motherboard. Lastly, remove the Wi-Fi flex. And there you have it, a job well done.
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. You can also find our whole repair video gallery on our website at www.BuySellRepairs.com. Need parts? No problem. Just visit our website and take advantage of our great deals. Also visit our website to sell your device and get an instant quote today.